Hello everyone, this is Sinful Kiwi. Thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. First, I want to say, if you would, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification so you can receive notifications when I upload a new video. But again, thank you so much for visiting my channel today. Today I'm going to do a simple manicure. I've already prepped my nails so the video won't be so long, but I'm going to show you the items that I am using for this manicure today. First, you will need some tweezers. I've got a pair of tweezers, and I'm also going to use some liquid latex because I'm going to be doing some stamping. The first thing that I've applied though is this peel off base coat, which is from Finger Paints, and I purchased this from Sally's, so I put that as my base on clean dry nails. Then I've also applied this color, which is a beautiful gold tone shimmery color from Sinful colors, and this color is the Royal Me, if you can see that. And I apologize for the lighting, this is new to me, so don't bash me too bad. But this is from the Kylie series, but this is a beautiful color. And that's what I have on the base of my nails, is that color. Then I applied this beautiful shimmery glitter polish that I picked up from Five Below, from their Funky Fingers polishes. And this is the number 9551 Supernova. And if you can see that, let's see if I can. But that's the Finger Paints, and this is like a gold bronzy glitter, which I've already applied. Before I did apply that, I did want to go ahead and put a clear coat of nail polish, anything that you choose. This is just from Paparazzi's collection, but I've applied that before I put the glitter to have a smooth base. And then once I've applied the glitter, I put on a fast drying top coat, which is Seche Vite, which I've also purchased from Sally's. And I do that so that once I do the stamping, it's on a smooth surface. So the next thing I'm going to do, also you'll need a stamper, which I've got here, and this is a Pueen stamp, and as you can see, it's pretty squishy. It's kind of firm, but it's squishy though. You'll also need a roller, lint roller, to clean up the stamp image off of the stamper. And then, like I said, I've got my liquid latex. You'll need to have a cotton ball or some kind of apparatus to clean off your stamp once you've used it. I've got my Pueen scraper here that I'm going to use to scrape. And I just purchased this. I found this happened to be at Walmart. They're selling them now at Walmart. This is the Pueen marble plate that I picked up, which is the Paradise 01. And I'm going to use this image. You can, let me lay it flat. This image right here. So I've already prepped my nails. I'm just going to do a couple of nails so you can see, so the video won't be so long. Let me get my paper towel to eliminate the mess. But I'll be right back after I've stamped a couple of nails, and then I'll go over the nails one by one with you to let you see how I did the actual nail stamping. But I just applied my liquid latex so I won't have so much of a cleanup later. And this latex is just what I received from Born Pretty. It was in a mini set, so I'm just using that up, using all that I have of that, and then I'll use another one that I do have, but it works pretty good though. And you'll see after a while that it dries. I think I'm going to go back and go underneath the nail because my nails are not very long like some people nails are, and that way I can make sure I get it cleaned a little bit better if I go underneath the nail, so it won't be so much of a mess when I clean up. And excuse my hands, they are dry. I took a shower and I didn't lotion up or anything because I wanted my nails to be dry when I do this. And this is the stamping polish that I have. It's just a white, and this is also from Born Pretty. It's just a white color. I don't think it has a number on the bottom. I think it is 38, but it's just a white. I have my pre-dampened cotton pad to eliminate much mess when I swipe. Got my stamper, and I've got my cotton ready. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and put the polish on, and since this is so etched so finely, I'm going to go ahead and go all over it so I won't miss any details. And you just simply swipe at a 45-degree angle, pick up your image, and as you can see, the image is on the stamper. And then I'm going to just take it and line it up and stamp and roll it slowly, and there you go. And that's the first nail. And some of it will lift, so you just take your finger and just pat it down, make sure it stays, and that's pretty much it. And I'll be right back after I do all the nails. Clean up your plate. And since I've hit this one, as you can see, and I can get my little tweezers and pull that off and just put some more on there because you don't want that in the way. You just simply put that to the side. So I'm going to go ahead and swipe another one. And I'll go back on that nail in just a moment with the liquid latex. And make sure I clean this off with the roller. And you have to work fastly, quickly, so you won't so let me go ahead and line that up. Sit for a minute and slowly roll it up, and there we go. And you can see the gold tone from the glitter popping through, giving it a nice little pop.